Hi Gemini, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do an in-depth read for you, love read. Let's see what wants to show through for you today, Gemini. And these are general collective readings, okay? Will not resonate with all of you. Please take what works for you, leave the rest. So Gems, let's see what's going on with you, what's going on with your person, and where your energies are aligning. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Gemini and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Gems, welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here once again. Thank you for all the support to the channel. I'm very, very grateful. And Gems, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. All right, Gemini. Newbies, I'm setting down these two sets of cards here. One side is for you, one side is for your person, and in the center, I'll have your mutual energies, your dialogue cards, your action cards, etc. So for the duration of the reading, Gems, I'll be calling this side person A, this side person B. If this is your story, you'll immediately know which side you resonate best with. All right, action for person A and action for person B. Bottom of my deck, I have the Three of Pentacles, Gems. This could be a third-party situation, but maybe not. Maybe if somebody just wants to work on this connection now. So let me see. Six of Swords in reverse. So things have really not progressed. They are still in troubled waters, it seems, and person A is not happy about that at all. Whereas person B is concerned, they're showing up as the Empress in reverse. They've kind of given up, not really hoping to have any future. Maybe they feel there's too much competition in this connection. Maybe there's too much conflict. So let's see. Let's start with some dialogue message cards here, Gems, and let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll clarify the rest of the cards. So Gemini and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Gemini and their person, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? If any of you are looking for a personal reading, Gems, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. All right. Let's take a few more from here, Gemini. Gemini and their person. Gemini and their person. All right, good to go, Gems. Let's start your reading. The first card here says, I have commitment issues. Telling you that I need you will be the hardest thing I'll ever have to do. It's best to part ways. We are not compatible like we used to be. I have other things on my mind other than you. The way we are so in sync scares the hell out of me. I'm terrified. You make me so nervous. Sometimes it's hard to breathe. I've been hurt so badly, I don't know if I can really love again. I get so defensive when I feel like you're getting too close for comfort. So Gems, if these are resonating with your storyline, let's start your reading. Let's see what's going on here. Let's start with an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for my Gems. A blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Gemini. One second, this didn't fall out well. We'll do this again. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Blessing, confidence. All right, Gems. I think normally this confidence is of course confidence, but according to the book I was reading up on this card, this is the sword of Archangel Michael. It's normally used to cut off something which, a connection which is no longer working, or a karmic connection. It's a very, very strong and powerful sword. So I don't know what this has to do with your reading. I'm just going to keep it here and let's get on with the reading and see what's going on here. So, Spirit, I have the Six of Swords here with person A. That's how they're feeling. Why is that? Six of Swords and the Nine of Cups in reverse. Six of Swords and the Nine of Cups. Six of Swords and the Nine of Cups. Ooh, Six of Swords again. Spirit, that is no help at all. I need a clarification for Six of Cups. Okay, so somebody wants to try one more time. Somebody is not very happy that there's conflict in this connection now, Gemini. I think they want to try again. They see that, it's possible to have an equal partnership here. Maybe things haven't worked out in the past, but somebody is wanting to try one more time for this balanced connection. Not very happy by the way, things have kind of not worked out. There's conflict, feeling left out, abandoned. Maybe they left their partner out, or maybe now they are feeling abandoned and left out. Somebody does want to have victory in this connection from what I feel. Yes, they want things to start moving in their favor or the favor of this connection once again. Not feeling happy that, things kind of didn't work out, or one or both of you feeling now separated or abandoned or left behind. So somebody is not happy, not happy at all. They do still want to have victory, and they do want, in divine timing or in the correct time, things to start moving once again. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit? Why is this person feeling like this? Two of Pentacles in reverse. What's this? Two of Pentacles in reverse. Somebody got some clarity. There was some communication maybe that could have been one person was juggling. Could have been one person was juggling and did not offer a brand new beginning. The other person, I think, was very clear that, or maybe had communication that if you don't drop what you, like if you stop juggling, if you don't stop juggling me, then I'm not sure whether I can, be in this, yes, see, not being balanced, maybe juggling or something like that. Somebody got dropped here. Some clarity came to maybe person B, and some communication about maybe commitment or something. Maybe at that point, person A was not ready to offer a stable one-on-one kind of a commitment, and things became imbalanced. Temperance in reverse. Yes, somebody lost hope in this connection and felt it's not going anywhere. Yeah, somebody made a decision, somebody made a choice, or maybe somebody wanted the other person to make a choice and the choice was not made, and things went a different direction altogether. Yes, there was a problem of commitment here. Somebody didn't commit, somebody didn't choose, somebody was juggling, and that's the reason I think things kind of really didn't work out. So what happened, Spirit? How does person A now feel about the connection? Person A is in hermit mode. They are not with anyone else at the moment, it seems. They have gone within and they are trying to now figure out how to take action once again. Maybe in the past, this person was a Knight of Wands. They were inconsistent. They are now going within to see their own behavior. They now want to be the King of Wands upright. They want to take action, but they are also recognizing that in the past, I was very inconsistent. I was behaving like a player. I was always in and out. I was never stable. But now this person does want to take action. They've recognized the fact that person B is a soulmate. They are their Two of Cups. This is the person that I can have a happily ever after. This is a divinely guided connection. They're no longer confused now, Gemini. Whoever is on person A's side is no longer in confusion, no longer wanting any options. They actually, what they would really like to do is rush towards person B to ask if, what do they want to ask, Spirit? What do they want to ask? Person B. What do they want to say? They whatever they have not said till now, if they've not been emotionally open, or they've been lying, or they haven't been clear, this person now wants to become the emperor and return. They want to now take back power, take back control, say what they want to say. They want to admit to everything that they did wrong, I guess. One more, Spirit. Knight of Swords. What do they want to say? What do they want to say? Yes, they want to come in, Gemini, but I think there is some delay. There is some delay in their... They want to come in personally, I feel. But they are having to hold back because there's some sort of delay going on. What's this delay, Spirit? Why? What's this delay here? They are stuck. They are stuck. They're not being able to move and come towards person B as quickly as they want to. I know that they want to, because I do see that they want things to move. They want victory. They have made their decision. They have made their choice. But something is stopping them. They want to, yes, they want to open up. They don't want to keep secrets anymore. They want to come and reveal what's in their heart for person B. So let's see the other side. What action this person will finally take, I'll open later, Gems. Let's go on to the other side and see how they're feeling. Empress in reverse. Why are you in the Empress in reverse, Spirit? Sorry, person B, why are you in the Empress in reverse? Okay, so person B is telling me I am the Empress in reverse because somebody wasted too much time. They never invested in this connection. They never put in any work. They never spent any time to build this connection up. They always made me feel disrespected. They never offered an empress what an empress deserves. In fact, they only brought a lot of confusion and conflict and competition where our connection was concerned. 5 of Wands, Spirit. Why is person B in the 5 of Wands energy? Could have been another person in the mix. There could have been some competition, and I think this Empress soon realized that with this kind of a scenario, there is no emotional happiness to be had. All right, Spirit? Yes, this could have been a third party situation. I think somebody got very depressed or very sad or frustrated because maybe they were put into a third party situation. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit, then with person B? I think person B put their barrier up. Look at this. Look at the amount of protection. 7 of Wands, 9 of Wands. Like, if you're going to behave like this with me, if you're going to bring third parties, if you're not going to commit to me, if you're not going to put the work in, then I'm going to put all the barriers possible around me and make a fortress so you can't come break my heart. 7 of Wands. 7 of Wands. 7 of Wands. Yes, an offer was not made. An offer was not made. I think somebody waited around for a long time. They were quite sad, quite depressed. In fact, had a lot of sleepless nights waiting for somebody to make that offer, which never came. And I think person B decided that they'd take the higher ground. 9 of Wands. Yes, person B was a true empress. They kind of released this toxic connection or the toxicity in this relationship or whatever. I mean, the devil in reverse is like no longer being stuck in something karmic or something which is not good for you. So now how does person B feel about this connection, Spirit? 6 of Pentacles. What's the 6 of Pentacles? 6 of Pentacles. I think person B is still holding back. They're holding back. They are adamant that they want an equal partnership. They want an equal give and take. You give me and I give you, and that's the way it's going to be. I'm not going to be bound and chained into any kind of connection which is going to keep me stuck. Right? Something which is not going to give me an equal or a promise of foundation or stability. I am not willing to spend any more time or energy I think person B is holding back with the strength card. They do love person A from what I feel. Yes, person B does love person A a lot. In fact, they feel person A really makes them happy, and maybe they also know that person A sees them the same way. Maybe it's never been expressed, but when you guys are together, I think there's a lot of happiness between the two of you. But I do feel that person B now doesn't trust person A that much. They are angry, they're upset, they don't trust person A anymore. They feel that person A is always hiding their emotions, or emotionally maybe manipulating them, or not emotionally manipulating them. They know that person A also cares for them, but they feel, what's the point if you're never going to open up to me? So if you're going to keep yourself closed off, then I'm going to keep myself closed off as well. I'm going to hold back as well, right? So, okay, so person A, will you take any action towards person B? Page of Pentacles. Why is that an action, Spirit? Why is the Page of Pentacles an action from person A's side? Page of Pentacles, why is that an action? Why is Page of Pentacles an action? They are waiting, and there's some kind of stagnancy. Like I said earlier also, there is something which is stopping person A right now. They are stagnant, they are waiting, they are planning. They do want to work things out with person B. They do want to work out things with person B, but they are waiting for something. Yeah, see, look at the stagnancy here. Stagnancy, waiting. Maybe you guys are at a distance or something, but from what I feel of the intentions of person A, they do want to work it out with person B. They're a little afraid that person B may not be willing because of whatever happened with the third party or whatever, because there are three pentacles and 3 wands even now. So they're a bit afraid that person A will not agree. So something is still blocking person A from actually coming forward. So person B, will you take any action? Queen of Wands in reverse. Why is that an action? Queen of Wands in reverse. Why is that an action, Spirit, from person B's end? Person B is a little upset yet, or maybe they're still kind of, yes, worried about maybe somebody else being in the picture. They do want to take action. They want to have a re-beginning or a restart with person A, but they somewhere feel that this connection is still a little imbalanced at the moment. Yes, they are waiting for person A, I think, to open up and not hold back. They want justice. Yes, they want justice. They don't want a imbalanced connection. Otherwise, there's love here. There is a lot of love here, except there's some trouble here, which is person A is afraid that person B will not forgive them, or person B feels that if you don't clean up your act, I'd rather not be working with you. I'm going to take one more card for person A. Person A, will you take any action? Will you take any action towards person B? They've made their choice, which is a good thing. Okay, their choice is clear. They're no longer confused. They're no longer being a player. They no longer want to have third parties. They've made their decision. But I don't think this week they are coming towards person B. Something holds them back. Person B, what about you? One card for you as well. What do you feel? One more. Person B is keeping their secrets to themselves. They're saying, I'm not going to tell person A how I feel. I'm going to keep this a secret till they don't come forward and apologize or make me an offer. This offer hasn't come yet, even now. The apology, the whatever has not come in yet. And so person B is saying, till they don't open up, I'm not opening up. Right? So both of you are now in that mode of not telling the other one how you actually feel. Heart of hearts, I think both of you do love each other, but keeping quiet. Not making that offer, keeping it a secret. So, yes, that's all I have for you, Gems. I hope it worked for you. Let me know. Till next time, then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.